Today we'll learn how to find the right fit for your child in the Willow car seat. First, adjust the harness. To loosen, press the adjuster release lever and pull both straps forward. Remove the head pad. Locate the harness yoke on the back of the seat and remove both harness straps from the yoke. Now pull the harness straps through the cover. Re-thread the strap through the appropriate harness height slot in the cover and carrier shell. Harness height should be at or below the child's shoulders. Reattach the harness straps to the yoke on the back of the seat. Next, we will adjust the buckle position. To start, unbuckle the harness by pressing the red button in the center and sliding both harness tongues out of the buckle. Locate the buckle strap retainer on the back of the seat and pull to loosen. Turn the buckle strap retainer so the short side fits through the slot in the carrier shell and cover. Pull the buckle and belly pad out of the slots in the carrier shell and cover. Then push the retainer back through the slot in the cover and carrier shell for the appropriate buckle position. Lastly, check to make sure the retainer strap is securely connected. Now we will adjust the hip slots. Unbuckle the harness. Remove the bottom part of the cover. Locate the hip strap retainer under the cover of the seat and pull them away from the seat to loosen. To remove, turn the hip strap retainers so the short side fits through the slots in the carrier shell. Push the hip strap retainers through the slots in the carrier shell to remove. To reconnect, push the hip strap retainer clip through the appropriate slot in the back of the shell so that the hip straps are in position to fit the width of the child. Ensure the hip strap retainers are secured in the slots in the interior of the seat. Lastly, replace the cover. Now, let's go over our final safety checks. Make sure the top of your child's head is at least 1 inch below the top of the shell. The shoulder harness should be at or below their shoulders. The hip harness straps should not sit under them. Finally, the buckle should be as close to your child as possible without being underneath them.